Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Notion for career tech job planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in notion.so and press enter. Once the Notion homepage loads, look for the sign up button, typically found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You'll be presented with options to sign up using your email, Google account, or Apple ID. Choose the option that suits you best. If you select email, enter your email address and click on Continue. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Notion. Open the email and click on the Verify Your Email button. You will be redirected back to Notion's website. Next, create a password for your Notion account. Be sure to choose a strong password for added security. After entering your password, click on Create Account. You may be prompted to provide some additional information, such as your name and organization. Fill in the required fields and proceed. Now, you will be taken to the Notion Workspace setup screen. Here, you can select a template that fits your career tech job planning needs. If you prefer to start from scratch, choose the empty option. Once your workspace is created, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. On the left, you'll see a sidebar where you can create new pages. Click on the plus New Page button to start building your job planning system. Give your new page a title, like Career Tech Job Planning. Begin to outline your job search process, setting goals, and tracking applications. Use the variety of blocks available, such as tables, lists, and calendar views. Customize your layout according to your preferences and needs. Remember to save your work periodically. You can also add collaborators if you're working with a team. Simply click on the Share button at the top right to invite others. After setting up your workspace, explore other features of Notion to enhance your planning. Consider integrating reminders and deadlines to keep you on track. Once everything is set, regularly update your page with new applications and notes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.